I don't consider myself as being a religious person by no means, but I am a spiritual person. And I do believe that our gifts are born with us and that God talks through us or to us with our own voice, like our gut feeling. And I know a lot of us have had that time in our lives where we went against our gut, where it was telling us, no, I don't trust this person, or no, don't make that deal, or no, this ain't right. And we did it anyway. And later we was like, man, something told me. It was our conscience. And have you ever got to the point, or someone at the point where that conscience stopped warning them? You don't have that no more. And to me, I think that's where it goes back to say about a serious conscience. When we go against the God-given gifts within inside of us and we keep going against it, where then we're in a point where we like in the red. We just out here. We don't have no guidance anymore. And I think that's a terrible place to be. And especially when you're living in the street life and when you in the crime, you get to going and going and going and you get to doing things that's morally wrong. And then your morally conscious of values get cut off and then now you're just out there. So you don't want to get in that situation. But what I will say, if you still have your gut intact, your gut feeling, your conscious, what I'm saying, with you, listen to it. You know what I mean? Listen to your conscience because it will lead you out of situations that will or was made to harm you. So what I have learned now, man, is to just use your gut. You know, go off that intentions. Go off that feeling. You know what I mean? I heard Nipsey say that. The biggest thing he learned was not going off of complete evidence, not having everything, but going off your gut sometimes and say, you know what, I feel good about this decision, let's jump on it. And personally, I have experienced it, so I can verify that and say, yes, man, that's correct. You know what I mean? To grow up and say, you judging people off of their character, off the energy that they bring to you, because there's good and bad energy. You know what I mean? And energy don't have color to it. Let me say that energy don't have color. It got vibes. It just produced this evil or this good energy that it provides. So it's easy to say, okay, I can tell what this person is trying to give me, and color has nothing to do with it. But I would say this to any man that's trying to find themselves: is to listen to yourself, listen to that God-given voice that was blessed to be within you, and that alone will take you to that next level. Hold on.